Welcome to So You Think You Can Plan. Today we are viewing my wife's parents' two-room flat, I guess. And so they are on the 22nd floor, we're very high. When you walk in, it's already the living room with those like floor-to-ceiling windows and a good view of the sea. You can even see the beach down there. We are near the Punggol jetty, if I'm not wrong. Then their master bedroom is there's a connecting door to their living room. It's a sliding door. So they already opted in for everything to be furnished. Oops, you can see me. And this is their bedroom. Everything is furnished, so they have the lights, they have the wardrobe. Looks to be whatever you need is here. And they even have a full-length mirror, which you saw me in just now. And then this is their toilet. It's connected to the kitchen by two folding doors. The toilet is quite spacious and also furnished with all the fittings, your sink and toilet bowl, and even the heater. And because this is senior friendly, you notice that they have all the grab bars as well. And there's a big spacious window to ventilate their toilet. And then here we are in the kitchen. This is the area where they will have to put their washing machine. And then their nice view of the sea. And all the furnishings with the cabinets. Even the sink and tap. And the dish rack. Even the induction hood and the hob. So the only thing missing is your bigger appliances, like for here would be the fridge. And then they even have the hanging clothes rack for them. But of course it's not as good as like Steigen lah. They give you manual what you call that? You can manually bring it up and down. Oh yeah, wow. Okay, so you can even have a small mini island in a sense if they want to sit here and eat their dinner. And then lastly, this is the bomb shelter, as obligated by all newer HDBs. And it seems like they have all the access tiles in case they want to do anything, and probably the access cabinet doors as well. So I think this is quite the normal size, nothing special. And that is all for a two-room senior friendly HDB. Thank you everybody. Yeah, quite nice are the furnishings.